What if I told you the United States might be walking into another endless war? One that could cost trillions of dollars, shake the global economy, and once again end with no clear victory. Sounds familiar? Because we've seen this before. Back in 2001, after the September 11th attacks, the US launched a war in Afghanistan. The mission was simple: eliminate terrorism. But over time, the goal changed. Nation building, regime change, stability. The result? 20 years of war, nearly $2 trillion spent, thousands of American lives lost, and in the end, the US pulled out without a clear victory. Now the question is this happening again? With Iran, experts are raising a serious concern. What exactly is the long-term strategy? Is it regime change, military weakening, or just short-term retaliation? Because without a clear objective, wars don't just get longer. They get messier. And right now, many analysts believe the US and Israel may not have a defined endgame. Here's where things get complicated. Iran isn't a fragile state. At the core of its power is the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. This isn't just a military unit, it's a deeply embedded power structure. Leaders can be replaced. Systems stay intact. Control remains strong. So the idea that removing key figures will collapse the system? That's highly unlikely. This isn't just a military conflict, it's an economic war. Let's break it down. A US interceptor missile costs $1 to $3 million. An Iranian missile costs under $1 million. Advanced US drones, around $30 million. Iranian drones, as low as $30,000. Do the math. Iran can keep firing while forcing the US to spend exponentially more to defend. Over time, that imbalance becomes a serious problem. The US prefers quick, decisive wars. Iran? They play the long game. Why? Because a prolonged war means rising costs for the US weapon stockpiles, running low public pressure back home. And history shows, when American public support drops, wars don't last long. There's also politics. Leaders like Donald Trump and Benjamin Netanyahu face internal pressure. Elections, approval ratings, public opinion. All of it plays a role. And sometimes, foreign conflicts become political tools. Meanwhile, the world is watching. European allies are more cautious, Middle Eastern tensions are rising. Global markets are on edge. And if this escalates further, the consequences won't stay in one region. So here's the big question. Is the US making another strategic mistake? Or is this a calculated risk? One thing is certain. This isn't a simple war, and it won't have a simple ending. What do you think? Is this another Afghanistan in the making, or a completely different game? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more deep, real-world analysis, hit subscribe.